So it's my last day in El Tunco. I'm leaving tomorrow. There was the big, huge earthquake off the coast of El Salvador, which created a tsunami warning to evacuate and everything, and all the locals just kind of laughed and they said, no, that always happens. It's always tsunami warnings, and so we kind of got to higher ground and just, they were right, nothing really happened. So I'm sitting here, I got the sun gonna be setting behind me pretty soon. This beautiful view of the beach and the ocean. I love watching surfing. I'm not that good at it because of my shoulder. It's difficult for me to swim hard, but there's some people just cutting up the waves here, so I'm just gonna get some filming in as the sun goes down. I got a beer next to me. It's pretty beautiful. Good send-off from this amazing little town of El Tunco.